Hey y'all, I just got back from the grocery store. I actually went in person, believe it or not. I don't hardly ever do that no more. I do Walmart deliveries or Thrive Market. But I wanted to show y'all some of what I got so I could also tell you what's coming up, you know, in case I film everything I'm planning to cook this week or next week. Only got 2 weeks before I get that phone call from Haley, and my little grandbaby's gonna be here. But if he comes early, all this is just gonna have to wait. I got some smoked turkey necks. I'm gonna wash these off and put them in my freezer like individually, or maybe two to a Ziploc or something. So I like to put those in my collard greens. And I got some collard greens. I got grapes and blueberries. I'm gonna make a blueberry cobbler with this larger container, and with the smaller container I'm gonna wash them off and just freeze them. I like to keep frozen blueberries in my freezer. Sometimes Kaden likes to just eat them by themselves, but I like to put those in a muffin mix. Like, you can get them little muffin mix, you add half a cup of milk and you're ready to bake them. Put fresh fruit in them and then bake them, makes them better. I got a thing of eggs because I'm gonna pull all of them at some point, and I'm gonna let them sit though because they peel better if they're not real fresh. But I'm gonna boil them and make a bunch of deviled eggs to take to the men I work with. Kaden and Hannah some cereal. One night this week I'm gonna do this ravioli thing. These are like, they look green, but it says herb cheese ravioli. They're like those frozen raviolis. I'm gonna make some like ground beef in a pot with some spaghetti sauce. And then I'm going to put the frozen raviolis down with some Alfredo sauce on it, maybe a layer of cheese. And then I'm going to put my meat sauce with the marinara over that and put a bunch of mozzarella cheese on top. To me, that just sounds like it would be so good. So I'm going to put that in the oven and bake it. When I do that ravioli night, I'm going to do it with stuffed garlic breadsticks and some garlic knots. Maybe a salad, but I'm still scared to buy lettuce. I've been seeing all the news about that. Hannah wanted some cold coffee. I got some more milk. We're gonna do fried pickles soon and see if this brand's any good. Hannah loves some fried pickles. I might do that the night we do the ravioli, just like as an appetizer. I just got me some more Hatch green chilies. I got a watermelon and a cantaloupe. Hannah wanted some baby carrots. If she don't eat them all, I might. Y'all tell me if you ever make those like glazed carrots for a side at supper time. Because y'all know I've been trying to figure out how to like vegetables more. And I like carrots okay, raw with ranch. But I feel like if I did them just right, I could make myself start liking them cooked too. But that glazed carrot that I see some of them eating doesn't look half bad. So I might try that. Y'all tell me how to do it. Got some more Sister Schubert rolls. I'm probably going to do those on the night we do the pork chop. Got some thick, I won't call them thick cut. This is the thickest I can find them at Walmart anyway. But I got some thick cut pork chops. I'm going to season them up and cook those in the air fryer. I'm going to do mashed potatoes that night with some English peas and rolls. I'm going to do that blueberry cobbler that night. I got some rice just because I was out. This is the kind of rice I buy, and I cook it in my rice cooker. I'm going to do some rice pretty soon and saute some chicken with probably a yellow bell pepper. I got a yellow bell pepper and some jalapenos and an onion. And I'm just going to have that in one pot sauteed. I'm going to make some rice. But I also saw this. It's a stir fry sauce. So I'm going to stir fry it in that and serve it over rice. I see a lot of people talking about this QP mayo. Does it taste like regular mayo? I probably like it, like on a boiled egg. But I got that for us to try. More cheese dip because we were out. And I got some of these little baby golden potatoes, so I've had some crab legs in my freezer for a while that needed to be cooked, so I'm gonna do those and some corn on the cob, so I have a crab leg night. But y'all know I ain't boiling them, I'm putting them in the oven. I gave me some cookies and cream Pop-Tarts. I got some sauerkraut because my mama used to do kraut and weenies, or even just put kraut on her hot dogs. And it always smells so bad that I never tasted it. But the older I get, the more I like stuff. So I'm gonna do, I got some weenies too, but I'm gonna do kraut with Kaneka sausage one night and give it a go. I hope I like it. I got some more bacon bits. I got me some more apple cider vinegar. I put that in my collard greens. I got these jalapeno cheddar Oscar Mayer weenies because I want to make homemade corn dogs soon. Love homemade corn dogs. Some Rice Krispie treats and some individually bagged chips because school's gonna be starting soon. Got me some little Gatorades too. I got me and Hannah more Greek yogurt vanilla. This is the light and fit kind. It tastes the best. It might not be like the best brand as far as nutrition goes, but it does taste the best. And it's got 14 grams of protein. It's only 90 calories per serving. So we like to take a serving of this and just cut up some strawberries or put some blueberries off into it. That's good. Got us a little charcuterie, like a little meat and cheese thing. I got her some maple syrup because over the weekend she was here and I was gone because I went camping, you know. And I had bought Kaden some little heat up, like the frozen waffles. And so she saw those and she got them out and was about to start cooking them. And she texted me and she said, have y'all just been eating raw waffles? That is absolutely gross. We don't even have any syrup. And she said, I said, just use honey. She said, I done got mad and put it up and went to Jack's to get breakfast now. So I got more syrup. Or cheese and bologna for sandwiches. And for my late nights or nights I really don't feel like spending a lot of time on supper, I got these little ham steaks that I can make a side or two to go with it, and supper's ready. I also got this smoked turkey drum. I could probably pop that in the air fryer and kind of slow cook it while I make a couple of sides, and that would be enough. There's a lot of meat on this thing. It's big as my head. So that would be a good little meat one night, so I could make a couple of sides and have supper ready. And one of the things I'm most excited about, we went into a really nice restaurant this past weekend when we was down at Wind Creek. And it's this kind of restaurant that gives you like a little bite of food on a big old plate and make it look fancy, you know. I was way underdressed because I didn't bring nice clothes. Anyways, they had this something pepperdew. I forget what the first word was, but the second word was definitely pepperdew. And I was like, I want to try that. It sounds fancy. So I did, and it was good. They said it was a Japanese sweet pepper. It was tiny. They had stuffed it with pimento cheese. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so good. It was like a flavor explosion in my mouth. Well, I was at Walmart just now, and I saw these peppers. It's not a Japanese sweet pepper. According to this label, it says Scotch bonnet peppers from Dominican Republic, but they're tiny. Oh. This don't say sweet either. These might be hot. How do you know?
I'll try it.
I hope they're sweet. Oh, how do you know?
I'll try it.
You're just gonna eat one? Go wash it. I thought I read somewhere on it that it was sweet. Kaden's fixing to let us know if it's sweet or not. But I bought some pimento cheese and I was gonna kind of try to recreate that because it was so good.
Oh, I'm scared to do this.
I'm scared for you too.
Okay, 3, 2.
You just put the whole thing in there?
Oh, that's hot.
Is it? Water's not gonna help. You're gonna have to drink some milk. Okay, so we're not gonna recreate it with that. Is it really like that hot? Definitely not sweet peppers. I can't recreate that recipe, but I did get some pimento cheese. We might make some pimento grilled cheeses with this. Is it still hot in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Like the hottest pepper you ever ate hot, or just really hot?
Mm-hmm. The hottest pepper I've ever had.
I can't let you just shove the whole thing in your mouth without knowing. So tonight when Hannah gets home, I ain't cooking none of this because she wants to do that trend where you do rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to stand there and eat while the other one runs. Have y'all seen it? Stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be coming soon. And then maybe tomorrow I'll cook something, one of the things that I just talked about. I love you. Stay classy.